How to contact the booking.com customer care. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to contact to the customer service or customer care on booking.com, here is what you can do. Head over to the mobile application or the official website and log in using your credentials. Once that is done, tap on your profile, which is on the bottom right corner. Scroll down a bit and under help and support, tap on contact customer service. Now, on the top of the page, you will see this button Get Help with a Booking. Tap on it. Tapping on it should take you to another page. From here, you'll have to select a category that you are facing the problem with. Once that is done, you can either give the details of your confirmation number and PIN code to continue, or you can scroll down a bit and talk to the customer service directly. For this, tap on Message Customer Service button and write down your message explaining the issue. Then tap on Send, and once that is done, you will get reply within 2 business days. However, if you want to make a direct call, let's go back to the previous page and instead of tapping on message, tap on more contact option. And here you will see call customer service option. Tap on it and you'll get the number and you can directly call for the further assistance. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.